Hey, is it possible to make money on YouTube with one single video? Well, the answer is yes. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you right now in this video how to do that. Okay? Hey everybody, what's up? What's up? This is Bobby Siharath, and welcome back to another video where I will teach you your best ways to make money on the internet, on these little computers that we have. And today I want to show you how you can make money on YouTube by only posting one single video, right? And no, this method doesn't require you to have any followers or views, and the video you make doesn't even need to go viral, right? Or doesn't need to get ranked high in the search engines. You can literally make money by just posting one YouTube video and following some simple steps that I lay out today in today's video. Before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. So I'm so glad to have you. I post videos every single week, and my goal is to bring you methods that actually make money online and that actually works, okay? And most importantly, help you build a long, sustainable online business. So many of the methods that I see on YouTube is, let's face it, pretty creative, right? And I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty creative. But most of those theories or methods, creative ways, right? They're not sustainable, at least not long-term, right? So long-term income on the internet, I mean, right? So my goal is to teach you the latest strategies, but do yourself a favor and, stay until the very end of this video because I'm going to show you how to use it in a way that helps you build a business that you can rely on for years and years to come. So let's dive into today's video on how to make money on YouTube with only one video, right? Well, the first step is you need to pick a profitable niche, right? And everyone tells you that you need to pick a niche that you're, passionate about. But guess what? I promise you, once you're making money on a niche, you'll be passionate about it, right? The good news is most profitable niches are actually fairly broad, and you can pretty much funnel just about any interest under pretty much three umbrellas, right? Health, wealth, and relationships. For example, with health, right? You could be interested in basketball to being in, as long as you're promoting them in a way that makes people healthier with exercise, right? As long as you're promoting them in a way that makes people healthier, you're in the most profitable niche. Well, let's cover just about any possible way to earn or save money from the stock market, digital marketing, real estate. And if you can show how a product improves someone's social status or social life, then obviously your niche can fall under the relationship niche, right? Most people think the next step is to create a viral video like TikTok or Vine, if you guys remember that. So to go viral in a niche that you just picked, right? And collect all the ad revenue from YouTube. But listen, even though that sounds simple, that may be one of the most difficult things to actually do, right, on the internet, right? So trust me, I've been marketing on this channel for about 3-4 years now. Okay, look at it. It's not like it's super viral, right? Instead, the next step is to pick a product that relates to your niche, okay? And promote it as an affiliate. Okay, now you might be thinking, wait. I don't have a product. Notice I didn't say create a product that corresponds to your niche and promote it as an affiliate. Okay, now you might be thinking, if you're new here, listen, okay? As an affiliate, we don't create our own products. Okay, we build our own websites to push people to affiliate products. So we don't have to handle any of the shipping or the customer service or the ins and out of the business. we literally just send people to the product that we like. And every time somebody says, oh, I want that product, and they buy that product, literally just send people to the product that they like, right? And every time somebody buys that product, we get a commission on that sale. So you see, you're making money without millions or viewers or followers, right? So just somebody clicking on a link and making a purchase. It's literally as simple as that, right? You can find products to be an affiliate or just at just about anywhere, right? So, all right. So, for example, Amazon Associates, okay? Amazon has an affiliate program. eBay has an affiliate program. Literally Google any product that you have and then type in affiliate program right after the name, right? So something will come up. And chances are they'll give you a link to their product, and if that's not easy enough, there are even marketplaces like clickbank.com, right? That literally lists out products in every niche that you can choose from, right? That literally can just click here and then you'll get an affiliate link. Now, I have to warn you, even though there are literally hundreds of thousands of affiliate programs and, you know, stuff to promote, right? They aren't all equally created. So choosing the right products could make or break your business. Because guess what? That's very, very important. I'll show you how to get around that at the end of this video, so that you will know for certain how you know that you're on the right path to be successful, right? Okay, so once you pick your niche, you found that product to promote, the next step is to actually, you know, film a video, create your YouTube video. All right, now do this, and I want you to find trending videos and blog articles in your niche and model what they're doing, okay? I actually use something called vidIQ. I can leave the link down below. Basically, it will tell you the keywords, right? And the trending keywords, trending videos that are your competitors. Say if you want to look up make money online competitors, affiliate marketing competitors. Or actually, if you create a trending alert, it'll email you. Or you can just, you know, manually go through it. So it's definitely worth the money via automation, right? So like I said, you look up trending videos and blog articles about your niche and model what they're due. If you're selling a yoga product, right, maybe type in YouTube best yoga products, right? And then see what type of video pops up. If you keep seeing videos and stretches for, like, you know, back pain, then that video can be something like the best 5 yoga stretches for lower back pain, right? Or if you're in the make money online space and you keep seeing tutorial videos on how to make money with ClickBank, you can do a video like best alternatives for ClickBank in 2021 or whatever year you're in now. I don't think you need to overthink the quality or the editing here, okay? All you really need is a microphone, a solid microphone for audio, and some lighting, okay? Camera, it's optional, right? Camera is optional. As long as you have a camera that people can visibly see you, the audio is definitely number one, and the lighting. So if you're not comfortable on camera like this, like a standing head video, right? That's fine. You can literally just screen share, right? Screen share like this screen share here with the PowerPoint and record your voice. And that actually works very well, right? If you're not really comfortable with that, then guess what? You can also hire someone in Fiverr. Just create your own YouTube script and then go ahead and have them create a video for you. Literally tell them what content you want them to record and let them do it for you. It may cost you a little bit of money, but you can get some high quality expert stuff done for cheap at Fiverr.com. And my hope is that every single person watching this video has no excuse, right? But just to give it a try. Okay, let's recap. What we need to do is number 1, okay? pick a profitable niche, all right? And number 2, we need to pick a product that we're promoting and find an affiliate link for it. Number 3, create your own YouTube video for this topic, right? And we're adding that affiliate link in our bio or the link in the description underneath our video, right? So now the question is, how do we actually get traffic to this video? How? I mean, look, you can always share the video in relevant Facebook groups. Do not spam, right? Reddit groups. But since the strategy is YouTube, the easiest method is literally just to leave comments on other people's channels, okay? Underneath their videos, and if you leave a quality comment or respond to someone's questions, right? The odds are people are going to go ahead and head over to your channel and see what you're all about, okay? And they're going to go see your video. I know this strategy works because I've seen it on this channel, right? There are people that leave comments on every single video that I upload just to drive traffic back to their own videos, right? And you know what? I'm fine with that because that means my video had YouTube engagement, helped me in the YouTube algorithm, right? And when they answer questions that I don't get to right away, great, that gives value to my subscribers. So it's a win-win situation, all right? All right, so now you know how to make money online with just one YouTube video. Even if you don't have any followers, even if you don't have a lot of viewers, even if you don't have a large following, right? But here's how we can take this to the next level. Okay, instead of driving traffic straight to an affiliate offer, we could drive traffic to something called an opt-in page or a landing page software, right? That captures someone's email address in exchange for a free gift, like a training video or an ebook. This way, you're building an email list of people that are interested in your niche, and you can continue to market to those people over and over again. Remember, the money is in the list, right? If YouTube shut down your channel, you won't have your subscribers anymore, but you still have your email list. Remember that. This is how we build a long-term business, right? Out of these ideas rather than just a quick money grab, which is what a lot of people teach you, right? Instant gratification. Secondly, we can take this to the next level by finding good quality products to promote that stack on top of one another, right? So here's what I mean by that. Often when people learn about these strategies, they'll find one product to promote and they'll promote it until it's dry. And then go find another product and then promote another product and then never ending, guys. It just sounds exhausting, right? This is how we increase our AOV, which is average order value per customer, right? Okay, now, like I said earlier in this video, this is notoriously difficult, very difficult. And you can make or break your business based on the products that you pick to promote, right? So your brand is online. If you promote crappy products, they're probably not going to trust you ever again. That's why I want you to click on the link below of this video, right? In the description, right down below, check out my Partner with Anthony program and my mentor, which literally gives you our entire Rolodex of high converting products, courses, books, softwares, and that naturally blends together, okay? So you can promote this and earn multiple commissions. Not only that, since the program is a partnership, that means that I'll actually literally help you sell them by letting you plug into our ecosystem, our already running business. This is why I created this, because look, I've taught affiliate marketing, right? My mentor has taught it for a very long time, and he's a 2 Comma Club winner, okay? What that means is he made multiple $1 million with his funnels and businesses, and I always see people make the same exact mistake where they promote the wrong products and they only promote one product at a time, and then a singular focus, right? And that's okay, because sometimes it's hard to focus on promoting a bunch of different products, but with partner with Anthony, right? It's a partnership, it's an ecosystem. And here's the cool part. All you have to do is focus on promoting one product. Let me repeat that again. All you need to do is promote one product. The difference is that one product will promote multiple products and softwares and things that are related to it, right? And things that people would need along their online business. And you still get the commissions on, everything that's promoted. So you don't have to take your focus or try to focus on promoting like 22 different things, right? You can just focus on one thing, which is what most everybody wants to do, right? And that's one thing. We'll take over and I'll introduce you to people to the software that they'll need for their business and the things that they need at the time that they need it, okay? And you get the commission. This is how we kind of like blend both worlds. The world of you wanting to move just one thing, because that's that. As somebody new, you should just promote one thing, right? Not 10,000 things or 22 things like I mentioned. If that's the case, he has a path for you to focus on one thing. And we also need to have, multiple streams of incomes and commissions, right? In order to be successful with this, in order to have a program that takes over and helps you generate those multiple commission opportunities. So again, there's a link right down below. Be sure to check it out to get more information, and go ahead and click it right now, okay? Okay, because you'll be glad that you did. Check this out. I truly believe this can help you in your affiliate marketing endeavors and as you build your business online. And of course, listen, if you love this video and you love what you learned, click the like button for me right now, right? And then just so that YouTube can share it with other people that need this. If you love this video and you love what you learned, like I said, click that like button. And then click that subscribe button with the all notifications, right? That's the only way that we can notify you when every time I post or put an affiliate marketing training video on. And hey, why would you miss this type of training, right? Giving you actionable steps, strategy things that you can implement right away to be able to grow your business online. So click that subscribe button, click that like button, and hey, listen, if you've got any questions, leave it in the comments down below. As you can see, I always answer the comments down below until it gets overwhelming. That's the reason why I do these videos. That's the reason why I'm here. So please help me out and leave some comments down below. And I'll see you next week with another video about affiliate marketing training, right? So go ahead and watch the next video that YouTube will suggest up here and also here. And remember to subscribe, clicking that YouTube icon here. Peace out.